and welcome to another vlog of What's Up Ravina. We are right now going on excursions. There will be multiple villages we will cover today, but most important is the Tide National Park. So stay tuned in my vlog and I will take you along. You can find the details of this excursion online. This is Mount Eden Maska Village Tour. Starts from £44 and it includes multiple villages which I will be covering in this vlog today. We are going to Tide National Park and this is the first stop of the bus. This is the highest village. Their coffee is very famous and most importantly it is the time for the toilet break. Also, this village is very famous for its almond trees. They take you to Mount Tide National Park. Then they take you to villages like Eco de los Vinos, I hope I'm pronouncing it correct, where there is oldest dragon tree. They also take you to the Garachico village and the Masca Valley, which is very beautiful here in Tenerife. You get an air-conditioned vehicle with this guide who tells you about the places you're visiting, but no food is included in this excursion. Right now, we are on the way to Tide National Park. This park is not just a UNESCO World Heritage Site, but also a place with otherworldly landscapes that look like they're straight out of a sci-fi movie. And the fun fact is, some parts of Star Wars was filmed here. Here we are at Tide National Park. The air is cooler and fresher up here and the views are absolutely breathtaking. This volcanic terrain is like literally walking on another planet. You can see lava formations, craters and unique flora. We are at Mount Tide at the moment and you can see the landscape behind me. Mount Tide is the third largest volcano in the world. But it's a shame that bus only stopped here for 20 minutes. I really wanted to hike more and see more of this national park. But nevertheless, this national park is very gorgeous, something you have never witnessed before. There was a random stop between the villages where you could do shopping and a small toilet break. Many pieces here are made from volcanic rocks, so you can see a lot of articles are black in color. Even they had black stone jewelry. This is lava stone neck piece. How much is it? This is 16 euros, this one. The route to this village is quite wavy, so if you feel motion sickness, get something with you. Asher had trouble during this travel.
So can you recognize this tree? Pueden reconocer este árbol aquí delante. Let's leave some room for the other people, please. Pass by. Okay, what is it? ¿Qué es este árbol? Avocado, yes, very good. So this avocado tree is un aguacatero aquí delante. So with this fantastic climate of the Canary Islands.
Tenerife. Perla.
What Asha?
Let's walk this through the pavement that you're
Now we are all headed towards the dragon tree. Oh wow.
Slowly, slowly. Walk slowly. Ice cream.
In front of the dragon tree, you can see the dragon tree from here. This dragon tree, which symbolizes strength, power, and longevity, is 800 years old. The dog swimming? Yeah, we will eat ice cream now. Time for traditional style Canarian lunch. So this is a place where you can eat Canadian food. It is 17 euros per person, in which you can get soup, salad, main course and one drink and even ice cream.
Say hi. Did you like the salad? Cucumber? And corns? No corns for you? Okay.
The food is actually good for 17 euros per person, the price you're paying. The gravies and Canadian style potatoes are something to definitely try when you're here.
Let's go.
Let's go to our next destination. The very first thing to see in Garachico village are these natural pools, which are lovely place to sit, walk around or even take a dip. Although if you are coming with the bus tour, they might not allow you to have a dip in it, but this place I can highly recommend you to come by yourself if you are into natural pools and if you want to swim in the beautiful nature. I personally felt we can spend a day here in this village. So if you're planning to come to Tenerife, you can consider staying in this village for one day. It's that beautiful.
Garachico, we can say that they are the most fascinating ones here, the island of Tenerife, but these are not the only ones. There are many others, especially in the northern coast and the western coast of Tenerife here. And it's a complex of
Garachico village is about 52 kilometers from the capital city and 67 kilometers from the airport. If you want to avoid the hustle bustle of Tenerife crowd, you can come and stay here in this quite little beautiful village. We just explored the village on foot with the guide on our side telling us about the importance of each and every spot in this village. I especially loved the red wall and got myself clicked. Now we are heading to the Masca Valley. The Masca Valley, which is famous for its jaw dropping scenery, rugged cliffs, lush greenery, and dramatic drops. This beautiful valley is often called as Tenerife's Grand Canyon. So definitely needs a visit, isn't it? Guys, if you are into hiking, you need to come to this valley and do the Masca George Trail, which is very popular trail among the hikers, which takes you from the village to the coast.
Plaza now.
So this is the last destination of our trip, Masca Village, and it is cobble road. Very beautiful. Masca is a small mountain village on the island of Tenerife, and you won't believe that it has only 90 inhabitants, only 90 people living in this village. By the way, did you know that this village was once a pirate hideout due to its remote and secluded location? Masca Valley is home to unique plant species such as Canary Island palm trees, dragon trees, lot of cactuses, and local wildlife like kestrels and lizards. Do let me know in the comments how are you finding this bus trip, and would you do this when you go to Tenerife? Overall, we really liked this trip. It covered most of the beautiful villages of Tenerife, and that too in a short span of a day. We could have got more time in Tide National Park, but then the number of villages it covered, it was all right to be precise. Now we are heading to the Costa Adeje market. You can see how lively it looks in the night, and we are heading for an Indian dinner today.
Yo.
Heading for dinner.
Hi guys. What are you eating today? I'll give you a small piece for you.
You can break it, Asher.
Oh wow, it's Ash's plate.
This is onion, papadum, and 3 chutneys: mango, mint, and tomato.
Take it.
And this is Asher. That's it for today, guys. I hope you had a great time watching this vlog, and I will be coming up with the next episode very soon. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe to my channel.